Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas, where we explore the extraordinary in the ordinary. Before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can redirect your visitors to a maintenance page in WordPress. So sometimes when you visit few websites, you have seen the maintenance page, right? Like your website is under maintenance, we will back soon, right? So a maintenance page, why? Why we need maintenance page? A maintenance page informs your visitors that your website is temporarily unavailable and it provides essential information such as expected downtime and few contact details. And it also protects your site from incomplete transitions, broken links, and search engine penalties. Right. So in this video, we will see how you can add this maintenance page in WordPress. So for example, you have a very proper designed, a well-designed maintenance page that will show that how you care about your user even during the downtime, right? And it seems professional instead of broken site or confusing error messages, right? And adding maintenance page also assures your visitors that you are actively working behind the scene and your website will be back soon, right? So, redirecting users to a maintenance page also helps with WordPress SEO. Search engine penalize the websites that are constantly down or displaying various errors. So, using a maintenance page signals that your website is having a temporary issue and it also protects your search engine rankings, right? You can use the maintenance page to collect email addresses. Also, you can promote your social media channels, or you can also keep your visitors engaged that what is coming next while your website is offline, right? So there are many benefits of using maintenance page while your WordPress website is in updates, right? So in today's video, we will learn how you can add a maintenance page using this plugin. So there are multiple ways that you can do that, but in this video we will see a simple plugin that is called coming soon plugin and a website builder by seedprod. So basically, this is a theme builder, landing page creator, and coming soon page creator as well as it is helping to add a maintenance mode. So this is a free version, right? So in free version, what you can do, let's see with example. So I have install this plugin. Once you activate, you will see the options that will be available for this plugin. So you can trust this plugin. This plugin is having more than 9 lakh active installations and it is good up to date, and there are many options available as well, right? So here if you scroll down, you see it will help you to build a coming soon page as well as maintenance mode pages as well. All right, so now I have activated this plugin and this is a wizard that will help us to set up this maintenance mode. All right, so let's get started. So this is a free plugin, right? And these are fine, so let's keep it as it is. Okay, so okay, you want to have one option. All right, so now this is a page where you can select a template, right? So let me down maintenance mode, simple maintenance mode page as well, maintenance coming soon. So there are various maintenance page available. Okay, I have selected this. Okay, now let's go and finish the setup. All right, so this plugin is having other options as well, a landing page creator, a theme builder, right? So there are few plugins which this plugin is asking us to install. Okay, you can click I will do it later. All right, so as you can see here, let me close it out. We have this set of a coming soon page. We are not setting up the coming soon here, setting up a landing page, and right now we already have selected the maintenance page. We just need to finish the setup, right? So as you can see, this is a builder, right? As you can see, we have here admin page, and here we have all sections. You can select the sections as well. So these options are available in paid pro plugin, but we are not going into that direction for now, right? We are down for maintenance, right? So you can also go and update this text. This page is undergoing maintenance and will be back soon. Contact us. You can select the contact us. Contact us. Also, you can change this text as well. Clicking here. Also, we have this edit with AI option, right? You can add the new block here, but for this example, we are not going to add anything. Okay, so you can add or you can increase the font size, as you can see, right? The alignment in mobile, right? So these are the basic options. In advanced options, you can select the color, a text shadow, a shadow of this text, a spacing here, attributes, the class. So you can add the custom class and add that class CSS in your CSS file. You can also add the visibility if you want to hide or show in particular browser, not the browser but particular device like desktop, tablet, or mobile. And you can also add the animation, but this is not available in free plugin. All right. So typography is also there. Okay. So this is fine for this setup. Let's go and save. So this is saved now, and you can also save this as a template, so you can add this in future. All right, so if you want to connect this particular page, the maintenance page, with few other plugins, you can do that, but it is available in pro plugin, right? So Google Analytics available, you can add that. Page settings, so this is now in draft. You can publish, and let's keep it disabled, isolation mode. Okay, so now let's go and check the options. General, access control, so we are not going into that. SEO, if you want to update the SEO title description, you can add here. So whatever you are going to add, this SEO title and description will be added on that maintenance page. You can also add any script like Google Analytics or any third party JavaScript here. Okay, let me click on save. All right, so in general we have published that. All right, now let's close. Okay, so now when I clicked on this close button, it says that maintenance mode is not active. Would you like to active it and show this page to visitors, right? And this page will only be shown to users who are logged out, right? So I think when I'm going to access the website using this logged in browser, I will be able to access here, but in incognito, if I'm going to access, you can see we are down for maintenance, right? So because I'm not logged in here. All right, so this is a logged in page where you can see maintenance mode is active, but since I am logged in with the super admin, I can access the website. But for your visitors, this is under maintenance, right? So you can add contact us forms here. You can gather the user details like subscription, emails, and anything you want with your contact form. All right. So this is really useful plugin when you are updating your website for any major product launch or anything related to your website updates. All right. This was a quick overview how you can redirect your visitors to a maintenance page in WordPress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for my next video and hit the bell icon to get notified. You can leave a comment down below to let me know what you would like to see next. See you in the next video. Bye.